providing yourself the moment of hesitation to recalibratious, the entanglement in your mind. It's like the love bomb, but being provoked negatively. It's why you need to apply this exercise, or whatever exercise you can use that'll cause you to have your own little hiccup, so that you go from a space of being reactive, explosive, emotional, and operating on primal instincts, and lateral over with calm and ease right before the eyes of the one provoking you, the predator, the narcissist, so that they can visually see how indifferent you are.